Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Vision. If you have not subscribed my channel up till now, so please subscribe it. In this video, I want to tell you the 5 big mistakes which students usually do in their school life. The first big mistake which usually happen in students' life is distraction. It means your mind is shifting towards other things from studies. In today's modern world, distraction is very common and it can easily happen in students. Distractions are of two types. Either it would be mental distraction or emotional distraction. Both of them are very harmful for students. It can lead to students' life from best to worst. It can completely destroy the life of a student. An excellent student is also completely affected by these distractions. Mentally distraction is that when your mind is shifting towards other entertaining things like mobile, TV, games, songs, etc. To eradicate this type of distraction, your determination and your willpower should be very strong towards your studies. Then only you can defeat this distraction. Emotional distraction is mostly happen in teenagers where opposite attraction is very common. In this age, students undergoes many complications. Under this age, student usually failed to distinguish between what is right and what is wrong because hormonal changes mostly occurred during this time period only. And one mistake proves the biggest disaster for the rest of the life. Students must understand the fact that during this time period, what their parents says to them is completely and utterly beneficial for them. So they should take help and support from their parents. Just always remember, you can't do big things if you are always distracted by small things. The second mistake which students usually do in their school life is to miss the opportunity. Opportunity means to participate in various activities which is very well responsible for the all-round and growth and development of a student. In school or in college life, students gets unlimited chance to participate in these various different activities. He or she should not miss these opportunities of gathering knowledge and information regarding different aspects of life. Students always get chance to learn something new and unique by accepting these opportunities in their golden period of life. Only by becoming bookworm, your studies and your knowledge will always remain incomplete and incompetent. What you read in book should always be implemented in your life through your knowledge. Swami Vivekananda ji has also said that if you have 5 ideas in your mind and if you have implemented those ideas in your life, that means you have more knowledge than a person who have completely learned the whole library by heart. Always remember, opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you will miss them. The third mistake which students usually do in their life is to choose the wrong career. The foundation of successful life is laid in school only. Students must choose their subject or career according to their own interest. The work which carries your own interest in it will never suppress. If you make your passion to profession, then no one in this entire world has the power to stop you from going on to the pitch of your success. Always follow your inner conscience, which tells you what is right and what is wrong, and will always support you to choose the right path in your life, on which you will get name, fame, reputation, money, and everything. Choose the job that you love, and then you will never have to work a day in your life. The fourth mistake students usually do in their school life is misusing the time. As you all know that time plays a very important role in our life. Every second of our life is very precious. Time once gone never come back in the life. As said that time is money. Utilization of time should be done in a very appropriate way. If time once passed by, nothing can be done except repentance. For students, time proves a major weapon to make their life a worth living. If students misuse their time and in spite of studying, they just pass their time in doing useless things, they can never acquire any recognition and identity. An inch of time is an inch of gold, but you can't buy that inch of time with that inch of gold. And ordinary people think merely spending of time. but great people always think how to use it. The fifth and the last mistake which students usually do in their school life is to mix with bad company. Students should always stay away from bad company. They may be their friend circles also. Bad company affects the most and it can transform the good into evil. You don't know how much this bad company will harm you in your life. So never indulge yourself with the people who are doing wrong things in life and just not taking the principles of life very seriously. This will give you fun for a very short period of time, but not for lifelong. It will never be supportive to make you a very good human being. Your friends should motivate and inspire you. Your friend circle should be well rounded and very well developed. Do not keep people in your circle who are for not you. Eventually, these people will stress you out and will be the source of your downfall. Please like and share this with your friends also. Thank you.